Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from today's Hindu newspaper along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. So if you did not yet subscribe to my channel, please do it now so that you don't miss the daily important updates. Let's start. First question, which dynamic lady was born on November 19th? Mamata Banerjee, Indira Gandhi, Vasundhara Raje or Sarojini Naidu? The answer is B, Indira Gandhi. Now very important topic. You need to know each and every point regarding Indira Gandhi. She was born on November 19th in 1917 of Allahabad. She is the only female Prime Minister of India. Assassinated on 31st of October 1984 by our own security guards. Now many times they asked regarding the resting place of Indira Gandhi. Remember the name, it is known as the Shakti Sthal. She received Bharat Ratna in 1971, that is the highest civilian award of India. She gave the famous slogan Garibi Hatao, Desh Bachao, which is an anti-poverty slogan included in 5th five-year plan. Now remember this point also, many times they asked Garibi Hatao was included by which 5-year plan and this slogan was given by which Prime Minister of India. Right to Education Act has been enacted in which year? 2005, 2009, 2010 or 2015? The answer is B, 2009, very important act. Now this article talks about the literacy levels in rural India falls drastically due to migration of families. UNESCO report says that 80% of migrant children in several cities lacked access to education and most of these children are not joining the schools and therefore likely to end up in some work. Now what does Right to Education Act of 2009 says? It made it mandatory for all the local authorities to admit migrant children. And remember, the Constitution of India provides free and compulsory education to all children in the age group of 6 to 14 years as a fundamental right. Mentioned in Article 21A enacted through 86th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2002. Now each and every point I have mentioned here is very important from exam point of view. Please do remember. Next question. Who claimed the first ATP Finals title 2018? Novak Djokovic, Roger Federer, Rafael Nadal or Alexander Zverev? The answer is D, Alexander Zverev. Now he is a German professional tennis player. He is just of 21 years. He is the first player to beat both Djokovic and Federer in the same ATP finals. Now he defeated Djokovic of Serbia in the finale and clinched the ATP final trophy. So remember Alexander Sasha Zverev, the new face of the tennis. Which of the following is the biography of Mamata Banerjee? Women Power, Dynamic Mamata Banerjee, Didi, the Untold Mamata Banerjee, Country's Toughest Woman, the Mamata Banerjee, Shaping in Trinamool Congress by Mamata Banerjee. The answer is B, Didi, the Untold Mamata Banerjee is the biography of Chief Minister of West Bengal. Now her biography has been penned down by journalist Shutrupa Paul and published by Penguin India. This book mentions about her struggles of life and her achievements starting from her college politics to defeating a left-to-front government in the West Bengal. The 2018 International Film Festival of India will take place in which of the following places? Kolkata, Delhi, Goa or Hyderabad? The answer is C, Goa. 49th edition of 2018 International Film Festival of India will take place in Goa from today, that is 20th November to 28th of November. Almost 212 films will be showcased from 68 countries, and special tribute paid to Mahatma Gandhi, Father of Nation, to mark the birth anniversary. Now, every year IFFI features a country of focus that brings cinematic excellence and contributions of that particular country. So, this edition will have Israel as country of focus. Who is the Director General of World Health Organization? Jim Yong Kim, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus, Roberto Azevedo or Christine Lagarde? The answer is B, Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus. Very important, you need to remember all the heads of all the important institutions of the world like UNO, UNESCO, UNICEF, WTO, ILO, IMF, World Bank, etc. You need to remember all the headquarters of these organizations, asked many times in previous exams. Now, the DG of World Health Organization says that nations have stalled to fight against malaria. Almost 219 million deaths have occurred in 2017 only due to malaria. This malaria is transmitted by female Anopheles mosquito. Quinine is an anti-malarial drug used to treat malaria, obtained from the bark of the cinchona tree. Now, many times they have asked which among the following is the anti-malarial drug and from which part of the tree it has been obtained. So remember. What is the anthem for Hockey World Cup 2018? Jai Hind India, Jai Ho India, Jai Ho Hockey or Jai Hind Hockey? The answer is A, Jai Hind India. Now, as hockey is the national sport of India, you need to remember each and every point regarding hockey. A.R. Rahman released Hockey World Cup anthem recently. You can watch the promo. The Hockey World Cup 2018 starts from November 28 to December 15th in the state of Odisha. Now, earlier the first Hockey World Cup in India took place in 1982 in Mumbai, and the second Hockey World Cup in India took place in 2010 New Delhi. So this is the third Hockey World Cup which will take place in India. This is it for today. The best preparation for tomorrow is only today. So don't keep postponing things, do it today itself. If you like my videos, please mention your views in the comment section. I have provided the PDF link of the yesterday's video, so anybody who needs it can download it now. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.